So what I'll be doing right now is putting on a 12580-18. It's gonna be a front on a backhoe. I'm gonna get that stop leak cleaned up real quick and get her side together, get her aired up, and go to the next part of this job. Aired up nice. So one thing I do want to say is whenever you're airing a tire up, you don't want to stand right in front of it. The way I was taught was stand to the side of it and to feel for popcorn. Should look something like that, but a lot of the times you'll hear it. But anyways, yeah, let's get to the next one.